Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to change system language on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we would need to go to Settings. Then scroll down on the left part of your phone until you will find this tab which is named General Management. Click on it and on the right part, click on the language. As you can see, currently I have only one language, which is English. And if we will read this description, which says the language at the top of the list will be used by default. If an app doesn't support your default language, the next language in the list will be used instead. So for example, I will add any language by clicking on this Add Language button and choose Czech. Here we are getting an option if we want to keep current language as our main language or switch to Czech as a default. So I will click Set as Default, and in few seconds the language has changed. You can notice that on the settings or on the control center also. And that's it. Now your phone will be on the one language and the unsupported apps of this language will choose the second one on the list. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.